Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. My name is Shantanu Srivastav, and in today's video I am going to show you when a user open any records in account table, that record has associate contacts with it, and those associate contacts does not have any value email address field, then he will get an alert pop-up box that these many contacts does not have their email. So let's try to open any record. So as soon as the form loaded, we can see that there is an alert box is here which is stating that contacts with missing emails is one. If we come down and see in the subgrid, there are three records and one of them does not have any email address associated with it. If I try to open any other record like this one, so here I'm getting the alert contacts with the missing email is two. We can see that there are total four associate records and two of them does not have any email address. So how can we achieve this functionality via JS? I'm going to show you in this video. For that, let's start from the scratch. This is my Dynamic 365 Sales App application and I am at my account table. If I open any account record, so here we can see there are some related contacts are given here, and here we can see that these two contacts have a email attached to it and one is not. So what our business case is, whenever a user open any account record, he would get a notification that if any of the associate contacts does not have email records, then he will get that two of your contacts have missing email addresses or one of your contacts has missing email addresses. So how can we achieve this automation? I'm going to show you in this video. So for that I'm going to use JavaScript. For that, open Visual Studio Code. So here I'm going to write down the function execution context. Now you will get form context. Now we get control over the subgrid. Name, logical name of the subgrid we will get from the account form. This is our contact subgrid. This is the logical name of this subgrid. Now we'll check if the subgrid exists in the form. Then we will get the grid inside this variable. Now if grid exists, and we will set missing email count as 0. Now we'll use for each loop. So our code will go to each and every record of associate contacts and check whether they have email address associated with them or not. For each loop, function row, inside this I will get email, get data dot get entity. Now here we will get logical name of email field, which is, you can check it. Then now if you find missing email greater than 0, then show alert, I'm using a special character here. This one, it will just make it look nice. Missing email count. So it will alert will tell us that contacts with missing email 1, 2, 3, 4 like that. Now after this, I want to show this alert in a box. For that, I'm going to write down this function show alert message. Confirm button. OK. Comma text. Return. Option alert dialog. So that's it. This is my code. I will provide the link of this code in the description also. Now we have to implement this JavaScript inside a web resource, and we are going to call this code on load of event. So how we add the web resource to a solution and then to a form, for that there is a link in the description for full demonstration. So this is the JavaScript that I have written down in my Visual Studio Code, and I have uploaded it inside this file, and this is the name of the JavaScript web resource. Now click on save and publish. Now for the function, copy this and paste it here, and this pass execution context as first parameter. Click on done. Now save and publish. Now it's been published. Go back to SCRM, and here just do a hard refresh. So here we can see that the pop-up alert contacts with the missing email is 1. Click on OK. Here we can see that it has 3 associated contacts and 1 does not have email address. So that's it from our video. Please like and subscribe to our channel if you like our content. Thank you.